the kitchen. Today we're gonna make BAHARAT Persian Spice Blend, and this is used in a lot of Iranian and Turkish food, and it is very flavorful, but is kind of hard to find. So it's better to just make it yourself. We're gonna use ground black pepper, ground cumin, ground cloves, ground cinnamon, ground coriander, ground cardamom, nutmeg, and paprika, and measure everything out, and we're gonna toss it all together in a big bowl, and then we can use it in our recipe. I will make another version though for you where we do it from scratch, where we toast the spices and use a spice grinder to make it ourselves. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. So we have 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground clove, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. It smells amazing. 1 teaspoon of our ground cardamom. That's my favorite. 2 teaspoons of our nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of our paprika. This is the spice that is the most in the blend. And then simply just stir it up with a whisk and you're ready to go. And we're gonna use this actually in our Persian eggplant dish. And you can check out that video on our YouTube channel too. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you will make this at home and spice up your life. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.